I'm sure you've heard the news. Geometry 2.2 just dropped a secret room. The Wraith Vault is waiting, and I've got every code you need. Let's jump right in. First, here's how you get there. From the main screen, hit play, scroll to the last page, and tap the tower. On the tower screen, tap that little character icon in the bottom right to enter the secret room. Now, get ready. Type these codes into the vault, and remember, they're not case-sensitive. Here's your complete list. Rob Topasnik Skibidi check steam fire. In the whole water, on the hill Wellmet bussin thick off it touch grass back on dash. Key geometry citadel. Space gauntlet retrospective I am in pain ruins cheat codes. Backstreet Boy Noel Electra. GD 2025. Duckstep Skyline PT2. Boogie Button Masher. NC Salbum Gullible Put Ya Hands Up. Random Gauntlet Ravenous Beasts Brain Powwow 47 and Geet Awards. Remember, that last one only works during the GD Awards. Wanna know what each code unlocks? Check the Geometry Wiki for full rewards details. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and happy